Caught up with a group of people who had no problem dealing with the backup and the snow. She joins us live with their story. Amy?
Okay, David, I've been covering weather stories for 20 years now, and never have I seen what we are about to show you. I-80, big accident, people are at a standstill, and then we see this. A group of men from Michigan stranded with the rest of these drivers. Are they complaining? No, they're dancing in the middle of I-80. While most of us would complain about being stuck, they just turned up the radio and celebrated. A half hour into an 8-mile backup, and these guys didn't care. With nowhere to go, they danced. Are you having fun down there? Okay, we do not know how long those great moods lasted. We hooked up with those guys at about 1:30. We were told by state police that I-80 cleared up about 4:30, so they were out there for a good 3-4 hours.